Tablet, no longer just an entertainment device, but also a productivity device. Apple made an effort by making its productivity suite to work best with finger rather than keyboard only. Not only that, Microsoft also introduced their Microsoft Office for touchscreen devices like tablet. Aside from that, you will be also able to access Google Productivity Suite on iPad. Since the new iPad 2018 is targeting the education market, being able to access Microsoft Office, Google Productivity Suite, and Apple Productivity Suite just made iPad 2018 more suitable to replace your heavy laptop. I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the review of the Apple iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil. This review is done with the standpoint of productivity users. If you are interested to know more about Apple iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil in general, I will leave the link down in the description below, or you can find it on the top right. In this video, we will concentrate on note-taking, documents creating, assignments, drawing, and also video editing. So, let's get to it. Let us start with note-taking. Since the iPad 2018 supports Apple Pencil, you are able to take your note just like using pen and paper. However, writing on iPad does not have the pen and paper feel. When you write on the screen, you'll be creating loud tapping sound. Imagine you are in a quiet meeting and you are constantly creating tapping sound. The whole meeting will be distracted by the tapping sound. Apple Pencil delay is at minimum or none when compared with most third-party stylus. However, when you write using Apple Pencil, you will notice it could not keep up with your writing speed. Let us continue with documents creating and assignments. Just like I mentioned in the previous Apple iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil review, I required Microsoft Word to finish my work because of specific format that I need to follow. However, if you do not require specific format to follow or only basic format to follow, I would highly recommend Google Productivity Suite. When you create documents using Google Docs, it will automatically save on your Google Drive. You are able to access your documents where you can access your Google Drive like on your laptop and your smartphone. If you are a student that requires huge amount of data researching while doing your assignments, you'll be glad that iPad supports split screen and drag and drop. You can open browser on one side and productivity app on the another side. If you are lazy to copy and paste, you can just drag the item you want to copy and drop it onto your documents. Starting with iOS 11, Apple included Files app for you to access files not only on your iPad, but also documents or items across cloud storage of your choice. However, it is not as convenient as it should. Yes, the Files app is able to access documents that you save on the cloud storage of your choice, but it could not access shared files on Google Drive. Most of the time, I need to access shared files on Google Drive in order to finish up my job. So, Files app does not serve any purpose to me as I still need to go into Google Drive. Let us continue with drawing. I am no artist to begin with, but I am finding back my artist side that I forgot for years with the help of Apple iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil. Even if I am no artist, but I can tell you, drawing on iPad with Apple Pencil does not give you the feeling of drawing on paper with pen. The glass surface is slippery and often you will find yourself using the eraser to clean out unnecessary stroke. Some recommended to put on matte finish screen protector to at least mimic the rough surface feel when drawing on paper. What is great about Apple Pencil is that it supports pressure sensitivity which most third-party stylus does not support. If you are interested to learn how to do art on iPad with Apple Pencil, you can search through the web as there are few digital artists that shares their knowledge. Last but not least, video editing. Who would imagine they are able to edit their video on the go with iPad? The answer is no one. In order to edit video, your laptop must at least have certain level of power in order for you to be able to edit and to export smoothly. However, as iPad getting powerful, Adobe and some developers introduce some powerful video editing apps that allows you to edit basic video. If your video requires a lot of effects, you are better off stick with your powerful laptop. iPad 2018 is able to edit and export 4K 30 frames per second footage smoothly. You will be able to do your vlog in 4K. If you have the Apple Pencil like me, you will have precise video trimming which you could not achieve with fingers. Apple iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil is definitely able to replace your heavy laptop just like on Apple's What is Computer advertisement. If you just require basic document editing and creating, you can forget those heavy laptops. If you are transitioning to become a digital artist, iPad 2018 with Apple Pencil will be a good start before you invest more onto iPad Pro. If you require a portable device that able to handle your traveling vlog, Apple iPad 2018 might be able to suit your needs. If you want to watch the general review, you will find the link in the description down below or you will find it on the playlist later. That is all for this review. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.